National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for Denton County in north-central Texas, eastern Wise County in north-central Texas, until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:18 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Fort Worth, Frisco, Denton, Louisville, Flower Mound, The Colony, Corinth, Highland Village, Trophy Club, Lake Dallas, Sanger, Decatur, Bridgeport, Lake Louisville, Briar, Little Elm, Prosper, Salina, Roanoke, and Pecan Acres. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. The